In this very short video, I am going to explain how to change some parameter and then rerun the analysis, right? That means you go to some module and change some parameters, some values or some options, okay, and then re-execute the job, right? So let's see how it can be done. Okay, for example, let's go to load module. Very often we change some load uh, values, okay, so I'm taking this example, but you can do other things also, but let's see this example. Let's change some parameters, like we have what we have some temperature values, okay. Let's change some values like I have here 100. Let's make it 120, okay, and then I will click OK, and then our temperature has been changed, right? So now you can go to job module and then job manager, and then either you can just again submit this analysis and it will execute with the current temperature values, or okay, other thing you can do is create a new job with the same model and name it job 2, or just to remind yourself, name it something like 120 degree temperature, right? Click OK and then click OK. So here you have a new job created with 120-degree temperature, and other settings will as the first test analysis, right? And then you can submit it. The reason why I have created a new job is you don't need to resubmit that analysis. If you resubmit that first analysis, the previous results will be gone. Alright, if you want to preserve the previous results, you don't submit this with a changed values, right? Just create a new job and submit it again, and then this will be preserving the previous results. These will be new results, right? Just for example, if I create a new job with 130-degree, okay, by changing the temperature 130-degree, then you can again create a new job and with 130-degree and error in the analysis. In that case, the first test analysis results you have, 120-degree results you will have, and then again when you will run 130-degree job, you will be having that results, okay. So no results will be gone. You will be having three different results with three different temperatures, okay. So this is quite helpful, and now if you want to re-execute this analysis, you can just submit and it will run and you can collect the results, right? If you want to see results of the previous, just highlight it and then click on results. It will show up those results. If you want to see the results for 120-degree, you can highlight it and go to results, click on results, and you can see the results, okay. In very similar manner, if you want to change mesh, a very second very common case occurs when you refine mesh and collect, you want to collect results with the refined mesh, right? So let's change mesh. Click on seed, click on instance, and now if you want to refine the mesh, you have to decrease this value. Let's make it zero point 0.2, and you can apply. Just delete the previous mesh and click OK. Now go to mesh, instance, click yes. Now the mesh is refined, right? Now you can go to job module and create a new job with, let's say, job 3 with 120 degree with a refined mesh, right? You can put the description here for you know for this current job, like 120 degree refined mesh, so you can remember that this job is for what. Okay, you can click. If you want to more add more description, and you can add. Now click OK, and now here it is. You can now submit it and you can collect the results. Now the description which I have entered there will be shown like this. Okay, somewhere here the description, you will notice the description you have entered, or we have entered, you will notice this description here. Okay, this is the previous results, that's why it is not visible. But when you will rerun this analysis or resubmit, okay, just like, just click on submit and it will be submitted. Okay, so this is very helpful. Okay, if you want to change some parameter and re-execute the analysis for that changed parameter, this is very helpful. In the similar manner, as you have changed the load or mesh, you can change boundary conditions also, right? You go to boundary condition manager, and here you can edit it and change the boundary condition, and go to job module and re-execute the analysis. Okay, this is how we change some parameter and re-execute the analysis, and create a new job, so that we can have different results for different parameters. Okay, so I think this is quite helpful. So this is it. Thanks for watching.